Hi guys, this is the Princess Prado channel. Let's replace the leaking rubber grommet of the Toyota Clamp-in Tubeless Tire Valve or the Tire Pressure Balancer Valve sub-assembly. The escaping air creates bubbles in the soapy water solution. The tire was losing a few PSI in a week. In the parts catalogs, this Clamp-in Tubeless Valve has already been replaced with a rubber tubeless tire valve. The Tire Pressure Balancer Valve subassembly part number 42607 to 35020 may be difficult to buy. This used grommet caused the leak. To solve this problem, I used a randomly selected tire fitting kit. From this fitting kit, we may use everything except the nut. This is our new grommet. The leaking grommet was successfully changed with the new one. Replace the rubber grommets and rubber valves when installing new tires. Thanks for watching. Bye.